What's going on, people? Welcome back to the channel. If you got an issue with your bit kit, you're always grabbing the wrong box, end up at the job site, you lose your mind pretty much. Dude, I got a solution for you. Coming up right after this. Alright, people, this is DeWALT's Tough Case Plus. These are their new tough cases for the T-Stack caddies that are coming out. This is model number DWAM-I30. Now with these versus these, they obviously have a clear case where now, as you can see what you're taking to the job site. Not only that, as you can see here, you can stack them all together. So I have 5 here, and just by simple click, okay, you can stack them all together, and they could sit just like that, you know, any way you want, chilling. And they hold a bunch of stuff. Watch, I'll get one open here, just like this. Okay. Now these are all assorted, you know. I got a bunch of kits, but I ended up swapping a lot of them, you know. I put a lot of bits that I use now in these cases, and bits that, you know, I really don't use in some of them. So like these, we got the dual torsion zones, and these are impact rated with hex shank. And the reason for the dual torsion zone is that it transfers optimal torque with the drill driver and impact. These are all impact rated. Now what I did is I had a set of Milwaukee titanium drill bits and cobalt, Milwaukee's cobalt kit. I put them all in here, dude. I took Milwaukee's product and put it in a DeWalt product, only because Milwaukee doesn't offer an accessory like this. DeWalt does, and I love DeWalt's accessories. They're just amazing. Now you see I put the 23-piece titanium set that you can find in Home Depot for 20 bucks sometimes, but now it's good luck. And I transferred them in here. So now pretty much I know what I'm taking. You know what I mean? I got a few magnets in here just in case. Now I know what I'm taking to the job site. I need my drill bits. Guess what? Look, I can see my drill bits now. I need my cobalt drill bits. I can just tell. You know, titanium and cobalt, you can just tell. I'm taking the driver bit, and these are the new DeWalt sleeves. This is magnetic, and it's got a bigger diameter here for bigger screws now. And not only that, you can take these right out. There's no hassle with these. You know, you can just take it right out. And this whole thing, like say you want to like swap your configuration here, these little inserts here are easy to take out. Okay, you can easily take them out and easily put them in. Also, some of these kits, they come with these little guys, these little bin containers, and they're perfect for on the go. Say you don't, you know, you're going somewhere quick. Say you're going to the roof or to the cellar, wherever you're going, or just, you know, to roughing something or cutting something, and you just need, you know, a few things. Dude, this is pocket sized. This comes, you just stick this right in your pocket. You know, honestly, I had the hand bits out because I had so many bits. Like, look at this. What's in this Makita? Oh, I can't tell. You open it up. It's a lot of bits. And I was handing them out to coworkers because I have way too many. And there's just some coworkers that don't invest in their tools and they just don't have anything. So I'll hook them up. You know what I mean? Man, these are amazing. And I definitely recommend these over these. Now, if you got a bunch of bits, dude, you can find these kits for like 10 bucks in Home Depot right now. and they come in black too, but they're a little more expensive. I think they range between $20 and $30. But I got a few black ones that I'm gonna do a review on. Let me know down below if you want to see the black ones. And you just put them all together. Put them all together, and I throw them in my my pack-out tote right there, and they slip in perfect. All right, guys. Let me know down below if you guys have these bit kits, what you do to configure them, and how they work for you. Also, if you're new to the channel, consider hitting that subscribe button. Hit that like button. And make sure you comment down below. Interact. We're going to start a community here. Make sure you check me out on my Instagram, Kevin's Electrical Tool. And as always, man, be safe out there. Alright? Alright, guys. Joke of the day. Why are electricians always up to date? Because we're current specialists. No? Whatever.